Introducing the Tripp Lite Network Cable Continuity Tester for Cat5, Cat6 phone and coax cable assemblies, Enro 44-00-R, a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify the testing of various cable types. In today's complex networking environments, ensuring cable integrity is indispensable, and this tester provides a reliable solution for both professionals and enthusiasts. At its core, the device functions as a comprehensive cable tester. It is crafted for testing Cat5e or Cat6 cables, making it ideal for network installations, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Additionally, it tests coax and phone cable connections. This all-in-one approach eliminates the need for multiple tools, which sets it apart from many other testers in the market. One of the standout features of this product is its dual-piece design, which includes a transmitter and a receiver. This test unit is equipped with RJ45, RJ12 jacks, and even a coax jack, thereby offering extensive compatibility with varying cable types. The inclusion of BNCF coax converters and a coax terminator further enhances its versatility. These features ensure that the tester works seamlessly, regardless of the cable configuration, thus reducing downtime during installation or maintenance. In real-life scenarios, the tester performs impressively. Its clear indicators and straightforward operation mean that even beginners can handle the device with minimal training. During rigorous field testing, users found that the tester provided quick, accurate readings and helped in isolating cable issues promptly. The unit's portability allows it to be easily carried between job sites, which is a significant advantage for field technicians. While the advantages are numerous, it's important to note a few potential drawbacks. The initial cost may be a concern for hobbyists or small businesses. Also, its specialized nature means that it is tailored to specific cable types, limiting its use in settings where a wider range of cable testing is required. However, for its intended applications, the performance remains robust and reliable. When compared to similar products in the market, the Tripp Lite tester offers a competitive edge by combining versatility with ease of use. While many testers focus on a single cable type, this tester covers three, making it a more cost-effective investment in the long run. To get the most out of the product, ensure that cables are properly labeled and organized before testing, and always verify calibration periodically to maintain accuracy. Overall, the Tripp Lite Network Cable Continuity Tester is a strong contender for anyone involved in network installations and maintenance. It is especially beneficial for IT professionals, network technicians, and anyone responsible for the upkeep of cable infrastructure. Its comprehensive testing capabilities, combined with user-friendly design and excellent performance in real-world conditions, make this tool a worthwhile addition to any technician's toolkit.